Hello, welcome to Inner GPS Gurus. How can you make important financial decisions and do financial transactions based on your inner GPS? Your inner GPS is installed in you to guide you for everything you do in your life based on your energetic reality. You do well in financial transaction guided by your inner GPS system and become wealthy in the long term when you keep on following the decisions given by your inner GPS system intuitively to you as you deal in business. How do you know that a particular deal need to be made based on your inner GPS system? Your inner GPS will give you signals of expansion and abundance when you are going to make a deal with a person which will bring you great wealth and a win-win situation for that particular deal. Similarly, your inner GPS system will make you feel contracted, limited if you are going to do a deal in which the other person is winning and you are losing. Sometimes your intellect fails to give you the required decision and you are unable to make out whether to go for a particular deal or not. In such situation, your inner GPS system comes as a rescue to help you to take the best decision which proves right in the long term. Your intelligence functioning in you, your consciousness is the satellite in you which knows the pros and cons of any business deal. Your consciousness wants this human expression to live the best human life and it wants the best outcome out of any transaction you make as a human being. In a business transaction, in a financial transaction where your time, money and energy is invested, your consciousness wants to give you the best deal so that you can become a creator in the coming time and you expand from your limited role as you are playing right now. Decisions taken by following your inner GPS system are always right. I teach entrepreneurs and business leaders to make important decisions following their energetic reality. Initially, it is challenging for them. To apply this technology to take decisions because they are used to following their intellect. But when they get access to this intelligence, they never go back to their mind, their limited intellect, where decisions were made using some formula. Inner GPS system is not a formula. It is your energetic reality. It is like a personal power, your intuitive power to know beforehand what will work for you and what will not. You get that insight, and if you follow that insight, if you follow that signal, you find that you have taken the best decisions of your life which otherwise you would not have taken. When your inner GPS system guides you, you are ready to take the risks associated with your business. You feel that this decision will bring you the kind of opportunities which you always wanted to have through this deal. Right from small decisions to big decisions, all the financial transactions you do, whether it is investing in a particular asset, in stock, or for any productive purpose, when you take decisions following your inner GPS, you find that life has become flow. You are doing effortless business, you are doing effortless creation, and you do not need anyone outside of you to guide you. To have access to this intelligence is like a boon, is like a Pandora box open to you to fulfill all your plans. You want to take the risk, you want to go ahead, you want to explore the uncharted territory, but you are confused whether your decision is going to reward you or it will be a loss. When you follow your inner GPS system, it will give you the accurate results. How to learn to tap your inner GPS system for your financial transactions is a skill, is an art which you can learn from me. It will take few sessions to learn this skill, but ultimately it will be yours. You will own this art for the rest of your life, and it will help you take any decision of the best quality. There is no doubt, there is never a confusion. Decisions coming from the inner GPS system, the signals are so accurate that you will always win and nobody will lose. The intelligence comes with a package. It will guide you how to deal with other people in financial transactions, how to make a deal that will be beneficial for you as well as the other person. Nobody will deny your decisions if you are thinking about their winning too. If you are doing a plain business where you are thinking about profit and a share in that profit the other person is also getting, then definitely great connections will happen to you for big deals. And as you learn the art of applying your intelligence guided by your inner GPS system in financial transactions, you will love playing this game of life like an ace player. You will love to explore more possibilities, more opportunities in the unknown territory. You will love to invest in areas which need a certain kind of boldness from your part. It will break away your limiting beliefs. It will clear your mental blockages, your limiting belief system about yourself, and gradually this life will become like butter, like flowing river. You will feel that doing a business is no more a stressful activity. It is an art, and you like to play this game in your own style. You will love to invest the remaining time which otherwise get wasted in the confusion of not taking a business decision, for expanding yourself in new dimensions. You will invest that time in knowing the secrets of a successful entrepreneur, a businessman, a creator, and that investment will make you wealthy gradually. You will have more time to invest in your health and relationships, because whatever you do is guided by your energetic reality, by your inner GPS system, and it rewards you multifold. For knowing the secret art of how your inner GPS system signals for the financial transaction, you can connect to me for a personal coaching. It may take a series of sessions to teach you and implement in your financial transaction over a period of time how you can know exactly with whom to make the transaction, with whom not to make the transaction, what amount of transaction, and you will get access to the intelligence from a new dimension of energy existing in you. You can ask any number of questions you want until you learn this art from me, and as you implement, I will be like your mentor, monitoring your progress over a period of time, and this will be the best investment you will do, the best financial transaction you will do for investing in yourself. This will give you a new shift towards knowing you, knowing yourself, knowing your energetic reality. So, you can connect to me for the personal coaching in the coming time. Thank you so much. Have a good day.